Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever spent too much time manually adding page numbers to every page of your project in Canva, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. Today I'll show you step by step how to automatically add page numbers to multi-page designs using Canva Pro's Bulk Create feature. By the end, you'll know a fast and efficient way to number your pages, which is perfect for booklets, presentations, or any big document. Let's get started and save you a ton of time. First things first, let's open up Canva. Head to https://www.canva.com and sign in if you haven't already. Now we want to start a new project, so click on the Create a Design button, usually at the top right corner of your dashboard. In the search bar, type in booklet. This will pull up templates with multiple pages, which is exactly what we need for this demonstration. Once you've opened your new booklet design, let's add a placeholder for our page numbers. Select the text tool from the left-hand toolbar and add a small text box to where you want your page number to appear, usually the bottom corner of each page, but you can choose the spot that fits your style. For now, just type in a simple 1 or any number as a placeholder. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just make sure it's in the general spot you want repeated on every page. Now here where the magic starts, on the left-hand panel, click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its special features and integrations. In the search bar, type in Bulk, and you should see an option called Bulk Create pop up. Go ahead and select that. When Bulk Create opens, you'll get a few different options for adding data. For this example, we're going to select Enter Data Manually. This is really handy if you're just needing to add a simple series of numbers. Next, let's set up how many pages we want. If you want page numbers for, say, a 4-page booklet, go ahead and add 4 rows in the data table. If there's any previous data in there, just clear those out so you're starting fresh. Now type in the numbers 1 through 4 with each number in its own row. This tells Canva that you want those numbers to automatically populate onto your pages. Once you've got your numbers in, click Done. Now go back to your design, right-click on the text box that's acting as your page number placeholder and choose Connect Data. Canva will prompt you to select the correct data to link. Here, pick the series of numbers you just entered. It might be labeled as text 14 or similar. Basically, you're telling Canva, hey, put this series of numbers into these spots across my pages. Click Continue and then select Generate Designs. Give it a moment. Canva will now automatically apply those numbers to your pages, so each page gets its own correct page number. We're almost done. Head over to the left panel and click on Projects. Find the design you just created, open it, and take a look. You'll see your page numbers sitting pretty on each page. If you like how it looks, you can apply these changes to all pages with just a click. And that's it. You've just bulk created page numbers in Canva like a pro, and honestly, once you try this, you'll never want to go back to manually numbering pages again. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or if you have other Canva tricks you want to learn. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy designing.